Oh, what's up? This is your girl E checking in, you guys. Really quick, you guys. Bae and I, we are making cornbread dressing, y'all. So this is the process. Bae already started, okay? But I'm gonna take you guys all the way back. Just take me back. All right, let me take y'all back. All right, you guys. But your girl went ahead before. Okay, I baked some of that. I baked 2 boxes of the G-Feed corn muffin, you guys. Okay, and I did throw ahead 1 box of the stove top. Okay, I know some people don't use that, they just use this. All right, but we just throw 1 in there. And then the cream of mushroom right here, y'all. Yes, ma'am. And as well, your girl did, and Bae and I did use 1 can of cream of chicken. Okay, this is the shrimp. I don't know if I mentioned it before, but this is the shrimp. This is gonna turn out to a whole video, so let me go ahead and turn it around. I thought I was gonna do a short, okay, but nah, you know your girl talk too much. But yeah, you guys, this is the shrimp in there. Okay, and I did put some of my green seasoning in there. Just feel free to use what you like, or I don't know. But yeah, that's what we're doing. We're using what we like. All right, so we're gonna add some sausage in there, which you guys gonna see in a minute. Okay, so and then some turkey meat will be going in there as well. All right, so feel free to use whatever type of meat you like, whatever type of meat you want to add into your dressing. Okay, so just like so. All right, so stay tuned, you guys. And here's the turkey, you guys. Okay, we did cook our turkey in the cooking bag. Let me tell you, this turkey right here is so juicy. Everything is falling apart. That's when you know when your turkey is good. All right, but yeah, you guys, yeah, Bae's still cutting up the shrimp, so we'll get back to y'all in a minute. More shrimp. Okay, Bae just add more shrimp, you guys. So let's wait for the sausage and the turkey. We'll just add a little bit of cayenne pepper in there, you guys. All right, you guys, Bae just add the sausage, you guys. Yes, ma'am. And we're gonna add some of the turkey gravy. What do you call it? Oh, that looks so good, y'all. It's not even done, so stay tuned, y'all. All right, right now, Bae just mixing it very well, you guys. Looks so good.
I'm still gonna
all right, y'all, here's the turkey. Bae had already started mixing it, y'all. I'm like, oh wait, I didn't show them. All right, so here's it right now. And well, he's still adding more, so yeah, you guys, so stay tuned. All right, you guys, now Bae is adding the egg. Okay, all right, and you already know what's next is stirring it very, very well. Alright, you guys, as you can see, it is ready to go in the oven, you guys. So yeah, stay tuned. Alright, you guys, this is it. That is not the final product, but this is it before it goes into the oven, you guys. So I'm gonna come back with the time for y'all, so stay tuned. Alright, you guys, this is the finished product. We did bake it on 375 for 33 minutes because it said 30 minutes, but we did 33, 34, maybe 35. But it looks so good, you guys. You know your girl. You already know the drill. You already know, honey. It looks so delicious. If you guys are wondering what is the black thing, whatever color showing for y'all on top, it is black pepper, you guys. Black pepper. Bae did sprinkle a little bit of black pepper, maybe a lot of black pepper on top. Okay, so it looks so good. I'm gonna show you guys once Bae cut it. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any question, you guys, feel free to leave it down below. I'm not sure if I tell you guys everything that your girl did use, But like I said, feel free to use whatever seasoning, whatever products you want to use, whatever you want to use. Okay, so yeah, you guys, I did use cayenne pepper, garlic powder, adobo seasoning, and complete seasoning, and my green seasoning. It has celery in there, you guys. It has, you know, whatever you guys want to use. All right, and this recipe did call, I did bake the cornbread, which I didn't show you guys. I am so sorry because I wasn't gonna record it, like I said. But yeah, you guys, feel free if you have any question, leave it down below. And yeah, you guys, don't forget to always put God first, eBays, and we love you all so much. Until next time, eBays. Bye. Alright, you guys, you know your girl had to come back and show you guys. I did cut a little piece, you guys. Look how good it looks, you guys. It looks so good. It is super delicious. You taste all the flavor, you guys. When I tell you the flavor are talking together, they are talking together, y'all. No lie. I'm not just saying that because your girl and daddy made it. No, they are speaking to each other. Everything is super delicious, you guys. You're going to